project for the storm damage. We got to get them branches out of the way and a little bit of cleanup down around the sides here. I showed you if you're new to the channel, this is a storm that came through like a microburst, and we've been hired to come and take care of it. So we're going to take care of all these branches on the roof and take some video for just in case there was some damage. So let's get up top and assess it a little bit. Find out whether the left side's got to come down first or the right side's got to come down first.